Digital steganography. The practice of hiding hidden information inside of anything that appears benign on the surface is now applied in digital technology. How does electronic steganography operate? Almost every digital item, including written documents, licensing keys, and even file extensions, can conceal a secret message. Media files are one of the most practical containers for steganographers. Since they are often rather huge to begin with, the added extra can be more substantial than, say, a text document. Secret information can be included in the main content of a file or directly in the metadata. It appears as a collection of hundreds of thousands of pixels to the computer. The alterations in the image as a whole are not noticeable if merely 1 to 3 bits in the description of some, or even all, pixels are taken up by hidden information. And because pictures have such a large number of pixels, a lot of data can be encoded into them. The majority of the time, pixels conceal information that may be retrieved utilizing specialized methods. Uses for digital steganography. Another effective steganography example is hidden watermarks. However, the first thing that springs to mind when discussing hidden messages, both in physical and digital form, is espionage and all sorts of covert communications. Memes that use subtle techniques. Capture a picture of the desktop, collect data about processes that are currently active, copies information from the clipboard, write the names of the files in the chosen folder. Because media files may conceal not just text but also large sections of harmful code, other hackers started to follow in the footsteps of the spies. Steganography can be used to conceal a payload from antivirus scans, but it does not transform a picture, video, or piece of music into true malware. For instance, in January, hackers used internet ad networks to spread a humorous poster. The software used by the hackers was able to identify the color of the image's pixels and recorded it as a string of letters and numbers. The user was routed to the hacker's website by the code extracted from the image. Finding steganography is difficult. Finding steganography is difficult. It's quite challenging to detect high-quality steganography, as specialist Simon Wiseman stated at the 2018 RSA conference. Carefully read the message. Even if it is unable to identify image-based code, it is still capable of detecting suspicious behavior from other malware modules.